Welcome to this video. This is another question I'm covering from the community asked Python interview question in that one round. This is a what is the generator? So in that you can answer the definition that I have written. In that try to cover the some keywords like it will be generate the value on the fly. It will not store in the memory, and after that some terms like it will be written the single value, use the yield keyword and series over the time. Then that's explanation you can add here. Then I also it the third line I have written here that allow you to iterate over the sequence of item without creating the entire the sequence, and especially useful when we deal with a large data set and the infinite sequence. So these two keywords try to add in your definition. There are the some, so it will be better to understand the panel, because if you try to use the definition, there is a mostly important thing that you need to cover some terms that are commonly known for the each. So that's about the some theoretically definition. After that, they might be asked you to write the generator code, sample code. So here I have written the simple code, but you can give the another any proper example like I have added in the bottom of the this like the Fibonacci series. But most probably try the Fibonacci series to skip it this code, because they might be asked you in the next coding round. So you can uh, give any proper example. Other example like generate the values or infinite loops. That's some coding example. After that, you can, if you cover yourself like generator have some generator expression, and how you can create generator expression is similar to list and compression, but its parentheses are used instead of the square bracket. Then it will be better. Might be if you not cover here, then panel will be asked you the this question definitely. What is the generator expression? Then what is the benefit? So try to cover all point in the one go. So they will move on the next point. So the another some point you need to cover with this sensor that advantages of the generator. I have just try to flag the some memory efficiency, lazy evaluation, readability of the code, and if you able have time, for example, in to explain this point in detail, but it's shortly. Then some use cases like large processing the file, generate infinite sequence, and the pipeline, the processing. This point, if you cover, that will be help. Then it will be create a quite good impression on the panel. So in this video, I try to give you some idea where we need to focus. This is a simple questions, but if you are not going to focus on the keywords or terminology, then it will be uh, difficult to panel to understand what you are trying to say, and it will be create because this is a simple question. They will be just ask the initially of the interview, and it will be, if you answer properly, then it will be create good impression on the interview panel. So best of luck for the preparations, and I'm going to be posting another remaining questions that I have attended in a round and I created list. So thank you so much for your time.